Today was a pretty good day, fellas. I wrecked a brand new truck. Well, I didn't. My student did. Jackknifed it. Extensive damage. Y'all notice that right there? The air shock for the cab is through. The shock right there is busted. The one on the other side is torn. You see the spare tire. Holder all jacked up. You know, I had this truck 2 weeks. Now the trailer's fine. It's AJ squared. You know, no damage to the trailer. My truck is all jacked up. Out of commission. Out of commission. You know what I'm saying? And they probably can just, I was just thinking maybe they can just go ahead and buff that out. Bubble gum, duct tape, super glue. So if you're ever in the Lubbock area and you need a tow, these are the guys to call right here. They're pretty good people. It's a nice peak too. So let me see if I can show y'all the other side. Oh. Show y'all the damage on the other side. So right there, you got the air bag for the cab and the shock, all jacked up. That's what? Yeah, push it up. Push it up. No, watch out. Yep, that's about it. Door doesn't close correctly. The hood won't shut right. You know what I'm saying? She's gonna be out of commission for a while. She's gonna be out of commission for a while, but we're gonna bounce back. We're gonna bounce back. I'm gonna holler at y'all later on, man. Like for real, I'm not in a good mood. But I just thought I'd share this with y'all. So y'all get an understanding of what could happen when you're training. Yeah, my student did it. He lost control of the truck. So I was sitting next to him, and I guess he hit a slippery patch or whatever, and we were sitting on the far side, which is south, is going southwest. So he lost control, came down, and right about there, you probably see the dirt roughed up. We went across the median into that, and that's the final resting place right there. The two guys came and they unjacked the truck, got it straightened out, and as soon as they did that, the record service came and now we're about to go up to Lubbock. We're gonna sit in their yard until we get the truck back to West Texas. So that's basically how it is, man. It can happen to anybody. You can be a vet in the game, a brand new rookie. But look at her, she just looks so pitiful. It could be a lot worse. If I didn't have a trailer, it would have flipped. That's how bad it was. I was scared, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'll give y'all an update when I get to Lubbock. Alright, peace.